Rachel, take a bite of that sailor. Lauren, take a bite of that.
First, can I tell you a joke of how it's so big?
Okay.
It's so big I can't find it. Well, here's a joke. How can you tell if there's an elephant in your sandwich?
I give up.
When you can't lift it. See? It's big. Oops. Hard.
Okay, put your heels right against the edge of the stage, okay? That's what we're working at. And tell me what's your name.
Look, Dad, they got krill. They got krill on there. Oh, look at me. Daddy, Trevor's
I don't know.
No, Trevor's supposed to have black krill. And their feet are black or yellow. They still are. They do. My birdhouse. Baby black. That's a boy. That's a boy. Uh-oh, he's hurt. He's hurt in his neck. Pretty close. Pretty close. Much for water. He's chewing on
What's this called, Sue? You know, like I got weed out there.
They're for sale, Dad. They're for sale.
Good. Should we bring one home?
No. Yeah. Mom wants.
Oh, Rachel.
What? Natalie, like the taste of Oh, spells no. Where's the little beer?
What, Rachel?
N-O spells no.
No
So
what?
No,
No
we're
for
not,
what?
We're not going to go slow. Spirit. And I clapped it up, and the fish, they went, and they made a big dust ball. You love
Lean back, Karen. Girls, those are the ones that their neck can get stretched out real long.
when they get startled.
No, when they go for a fish or something.
Can't see them. Thanks for looking up. Don't get too close. You're just rolling in. Daddy, there's a fish that's gonna go for it.
Is it?
Yeah, you can see the hunger in his eyes.
That's a good fish,